Well, MEBAA is a private and business aviation dedicated show. Middle East region is of course one of the markets we target. Is a high-end market where we're really optimistic in proposing our products. So it's interesting for us to demonstrate to the customers and prospects in this region what we are able to offer.
Well, Middle East is important because our corporate headquarters is in the Middle East, and we noticed the Middle East market has been growing steadily the past decade, and we believe that there's a big potential here, and also because of an obvious reason, strategic location, it's an access point between continents. Dubai is a perfect place for us to be here, and MEBAA is certainly the show that we look forward to do every year.
I would say that first, the Middle East is very important for us. It's the number one market for ACJ. We have more than 60 aircraft flying in the region, and so it's very important to be close to our customer and to be part of this MEBAA show.
We have a very positive outlook for the region and the continued growth. 29% of all Boeing business jets come into this particular region. 52% of our wide-body VIP airplanes come to this region. So this region is very important to us. We continue to see the growth, and we look for a long-lasting relationship with MEBAA.
So I've been coming to MEBAA now for 6 years, since 2012, and the growth is truly amazing. And here in the Middle East, of course, most of that growth is in mid to large cabin aircraft. So it's a different type of situation compared to other parts of the world, and truly you see dynamism and growth here in the region.